I love making bags. Travel bags, handbags, cosmetic bags, and coin wallets. But I've quickly discovered that the interfacing that's necessary to line these bags can cost more than the fabric I used to create them. So I pondered my dilemma, and I am excited to share my fusible interface hack that I've come up with. At my local Dollarama, I found a 4-foot by 8-foot plastic-backed felt drop sheet. It's triple the size and half the cost of the craft felt. And now you need to stiffen it. This is where I also bought a 2-inch paintbrush and a bottle of Mod Podge. I cut out my interface pattern pieces with the felt and then brushed them liberally with Mod Podge. At this point, you can either let the pieces dry completely or place your fabric that needs interfacing directly onto the wet podged surface. I like to pin my fabric in the middle and at the edges to really get a good adhesion. If you let your podged interface dry completely, you can then lay your fabric on top of the podged interface and use a hot iron to adhere them. I've had some great results with this process and saved a bunch of money. Stay tuned for some more videos that show you how to take your freshly podged interface and turn them into some fun handbags.